Check out my special glasses. I have them because I am legally blind. And if I can carve out a lucrative career for myself in design, so can you. If you're looking for a job or recently been laid off, you might want to watch this. Have you recently graduated from a college or university and struggling to make an impact on potential employers? The way we humans interact with software is key to everything else these days. In this video, I'm going to show you the hottest new industry that has been growing rapidly no matter what is going on in the world, and how you can carve out a lucrative career in it for yourself. My name is Harish. With a GPA of 3.6, I struggled to find a well-paying job. I wanted a job in mechanical engineering, like I studied and worked hard for. But every time I applied, I was told I was overqualified, and it was heartbreaking. I couldn't even get a job even when I offered to work for $20 an hour. Eventually, I was about ready to give up when I heard that Microsoft was hiring software engineers. At least it was some kind of engineering, but I did not have the experience or the knowledge. I desperately needed a job though, and nobody else would help. So I decided to compress years of normal learning into 12 weeks. I worked for 18 hours a day for those 12 weeks and focused my burning passion to make it happen. In the end, I was rewarded with an entry-level position. That was 16 years ago. Since then, I have learned almost everything there is to know in the emerging field of user experience or UX. And remembering back to when I was struggling, I am now on a mission to help other people start a new career. So hopefully now you can see how incredible a career in UX could be. You get to change the way how consumers interact with almost everything they do on a daily basis, and you get extremely well rewarded for that skill. In fact, this is one of the few industries that is set for an explosive growth over the next decade. So if you're anything like me, that's exciting. It's something you want to be a part of, particularly if your plans have changed recently or things haven't worked out as you expected. But in order for you to capitalize on this amazing opportunity, there are just 5 aspects of UX you need to know. Once you understand these 5 aspects, you will be poised to forge a great new career for yourself in a growing industry. And that's why I've created a free masterclass which will cover these 5 aspects of UX in detail. Once you have seen it, you will be ready to take your first steps into a lucrative and exciting new field. So click on the link below to check out the masterclass and learn how to enter the new lucrative field. As human beings, we cannot control the outside environment, but we can control where we focus our time, money, and energy. Actually, when it comes to UX, we totally can control the outside environment. In fact, we can design it perfectly so that it makes total intuitive sense for every person who lives with it. And that's a special skill. It's a skill that not only brings financial rewards, but also brings an amazing sense of accomplishment and contribution. All you need to get started is to know the 5 aspects of UX. So click the link below, enter your details, and check out the UX Masterclass. Listen, the truth is things have been changing dramatically recently, and many people are reevaluating how they make their living. But with any big change, there is an opportunity. And when some industries struggle or even disappear completely, others grow to take their place. Right now, UX is about to be the next big thing. If you're wondering what's next for you, it's highly likely that UX could be that thing. But you have to decide it for yourself. I'm not going to make you see the masterclass. I have created it because I see the opportunity amongst the chaos, and I want to help other people see it too. But you have to decide for yourself if you're ready to make a change. If you're 100% happy with where your career is at, this probably isn't for you. But if you know you need to make a change, I promise you moving into UX could be incredible. Of course, you will only really know if you watch the free masterclass. So go ahead and click the link below to see the exciting new opportunity that UX could provide you.